The simplified loader template exchanges data with Oracle Fusion. The technical method used by the Excel template may differ from one PC to another. The Connection Setup Wizard helps identify the best way to exchange data with Oracle Fusion. To launch the Connection Wizard, click the User Preferences option from the Simplified Loader toolbar. Select an environment in the Connection Setup section and click the Launch Connection Wizard button. Before performing the connection checks, the user receives a pop-up message regarding Windows security. When identifying the suitable connection method, the user may see a Windows security prompt generated by Excel asking for your username and password. If you receive such a prompt, dismiss it by clicking the Cancel button. Click OK after reviewing the message. The Connection Wizard will identify the best connection method and confirm to the user with a pop-up message. To check the selected connection type, click again on the User Preferences option. The selected connection type is displayed in the Connection Setup section. In this example, the connection type value is 1. The administrator performs the step to identify the correct connection type before distributing the template to the users. When the administrator saves an Excel template, the selected connection type value is saved in the file. Typically, the users don't need to perform this step again. However, if users face issues when transacting using Simplified Loader, they can relaunch Connection Wizard to identify the right connection method for their PC.